What is the Chinese waltz? Who is the big Lemoy, and why does Lorenzo have a spin? Find out how to answer these questions next. Welcome to the Acro Yoga Show. My name is Brent, and in this episode, we are going to review the Partner Acrobatics Manual. The Partner Acrobatics Manual is for you, is designed for acro yogis just like you. Whether you're new or experienced, it's a great source and a great list of poses of standing acro, L-basing, stretching, warming up. Even if you're an experienced yogi, you're gonna find something new, or it's a great way to have a refresher on the stuff that you already know. Have you ever been at a jam and somebody asks, "Hey Brent, let's do fireball." What the hell's that? "Hey, let's do Catherine's wheel." And you're like, "I remember doing it, I remember parts of it, I don't remember exactly how to do it." Well, this is where the Partner Acrobatics Manual shines. You can pull it out at the jam, look up the demonstration, jog your memory, get a refresher, and then go execute it. I first learned about this product at a jam. It was a godsend. I was hearing things like barrel roll, Catherine's wheel, side star. I had no idea what these things were, but I was able to search them and look them up in this manual and see a demonstration, see what was actually going on. Check it out. You can do a quick Google search on Acro Yoga Manual or Acro Yoga Guide. It's going to be the first result. Or you can go to partneracrobatics.com, or better yet, you can go to our Acro Spirit resource database. We are creating a resource database with all things acro. We're going to have this resource plus others, and we'll just continue to grow. It's free. This manual is great to use on the go. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. Each of the poses link to a YouTube video where you can watch a demonstration that's very well done. When you open up the manual, you'll quickly see a bunch of categories: L-basing, standing acro, stretching, rehabilitation. Go ahead and you can click and drill down into subcategories. And each one of these links to another page where it has a long list of videos that you can watch. Click on your category such as L-basing and it loads a page of all the different poses available, and you can watch the videos right in that page. There's no refreshing and loading something new. All of these videos are searchable by name if you know it. It's not an exhaustive list of everything acro, but it is a very comprehensive list of popular poses and very well-known poses around the world. Now, this is not a perfect manual. It is a great dictionary of acro yoga poses, but the biggest thing that it's lacking is it's not a tutorial, and it's not meant to be. But it would be very nice to see some how-to or instruction that would guide you through the poses. There's no text, there's no audio, it's just a database of poses. It'd be great in the future to see some categorization of the poses beyond just L-basing or standing, and to see a difficulty rating. Maybe also transitions to which you can go to the next pose, or where you can come from the previous pose and how you can link them together. This is where you have to get creative on your own, and it's part of the fun, but sometimes you get stumped and you don't know where you can go. So you're better to use an app like Acrodicted, which has the guide to tell you how to do it and also what pose you can do next, and also has a sequence generator, which is quite amazing. I'm gonna go into detail about the Acrodicted app in a whole other review, so make sure you check it out. Now, this is great. You can complement it with other resources such as Acropedia or Acrodicted app, which have a little bit more tutorial and how-to nature to them. It's a great way to refresh and to see a pose, but if you're trying to learn something new, it is not the best route. You have to watch the video and try to figure out, where does your foot go? How does that happen? And there's a lot of questions that get asked. So it's better to use it as a reference and then find that pose in a different source. This is a great resource to have, and at the very least is just a bookmark. You can have it right there at your fingertips for when you need it most. Go ahead and share this video with your friends, like and subscribe us. We really want to spread the message of acro spirit. So the more people that know, the more people that know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. We're going to be providing new episodes, review episodes, advice, entertainment, fun, all this great content as part of the Acro Yoga Show. So make sure you're along for the journey. Come play with us.